And now, I look for vacuum leaks on my Opel GT. Someone was requesting that I show them how I search for vacuum leaks. And I have a little vacuum leak at my manifold gasket, so we're going to start the car. This is my brake booster hose. This one here is for my idle air control valve. Idle air control valve is here. I got this hose going to here. That's the PCV function hose. And I was having problems with leaks at each individual injector. I reconfigured my fuel rail and fixed that. So here we go. I spray the various hose connections. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. I did spray the individual injectors. No problem with that one. No problem with that one. Nope. Oh. Found a little leak there. Alright, so I might be leaking there, but now if I spray where the head gasket is, as you can see, that just about killed the engine. And I spray over here. So I have a manifold gasket leak that I still have to deal with, which I will do tomorrow.